To address the issue of a deactivated Lyft account, follow these steps to potentially resolve the problem. First, understand that Lyft may deactivate accounts due to various reasons such as violating their terms of service, low ratings, or other issues. Start by reviewing Lyft's terms of service to ensure you have not inadvertently violated any rules. Check your email for any notifications from Lyft regarding the deactivation, as they often provide reasons for the action. Next, contact Lyft support directly through their official website or mobile app. Explain the situation clearly and provide any necessary information to help them investigate the issue. Be polite and cooperative, as this will increase the likelihood of a positive outcome. If your account was deactivated due to low ratings, focus on improving your driving skills and customer service. Consider taking a break from driving to reflect on areas for improvement. When your account is reactivated, make a conscious effort to provide excellent service to raise your ratings. In some cases, Lyft may require you to verify your account information or provide additional documentation to reactivate your account. Ensure all your documents are up to date and readily available to expedite the process. To prevent future deactivations, maintain a high level of service, adhere to Lyft's terms of service, and promptly address any issues that may arise. By following these steps and best practices, you can work towards resolving the issue of a deactivated Lyft account and continue driving with the platform.